Welcome back. You're still with Times Now. An unrelenting coverage of the decision, a highly contested decision by the governor of Karnataka, Vajubhai Vala, has led us to this. And today, Ram Jethmalani, eminent jurist, is also moving court. He's coming out of retirement to move court against the governor's decision. He's joining us live right now. Mr. Ram Jethmalani, I thank you for joining and speaking to Times Now. My first question is your reactions to the late night drama that played out unprecedented, I would say, to an extent, given the fact the judgment of a governor was in question here. What is your take on this? Despite the fact that 104 seats is what the BJP has, Mr. Yediyurappa has already taken oath.
My take is that it is a very sensible thing that has happened. That he has been sworn as a chief minister, no? Huh?
Yes, yes.
That naturally, he had a right to be. What is this? These kind of positions which are obtained by a person in a regular voting process must be settled in the court of law, not by the governor. Who is this governor to exercise this power? Because he is a friend of Modi, so karo. Again, the country is saying that Modi ko bhagao, desh ko bachao.
So you're suggesting impropriety, in other words. I would ask you, what exactly does the Constitution say on this? Let's be exact on this, Mr. Jethmalani, for the benefit of our viewers.
Constitution does not say anything that the governor has this kind of a power. This is a total misuse of power, and it is only nothing but practice of corruption.
Is it your contention that this particular decision and the events that followed will lead to or encourage horse trading, more horse trading, trading and exchanging of cash, illicit cash?
It's an intention. The whole idea is give me opportunity to bribe people and capture votes. They must have tried to capture all possible votes, no? Are they left some? This is an obvious act that the governor is out to oblige the BJP. And it is a corruption of the highest kind which no democracy should permit.
Mr. Jethmalani, you've also sought time before the court today to speak on the issue. What is the legal point you'll be making across? You've made your point very clear to the viewers of Times Now. What is the legal point you'll be making to the court regarding this?
But I told you, I'm going to say that you don't deserve to be a governor. I will say it in court.
Has this happened in the past? India's history is rich and replete really with governors being put there as political appointees going way back to the Indira Gandhi era and acting at times at rubber stamps and obliging their political masters. When and how has it happened before, if at all, Mr. Jethmalani?
No, never has it happened in the past. The governor says that you have lost the election, but now I am giving you an opportunity to go and purchase votes. This is nonsense going on in this country. This is total abatement of corruption in this country and to ruin our democratic process. As already, what did Modi do? 15 लाख गरीबों के घर में पहुंचाऊंगा, पैसा लेके आऊंगा ब्लैक मनी का. फिर 2 बरस के बाद बोलता है कि दिस वाज ऑल अ जोक, जुमला. This is all a joke being played with by some people who are in power.
Abatement to corruption, says Ram Jethmalani. Sir, I have one last question for you. The Supreme Court will hear the matter again tomorrow. They've given 24 hours really for the BJP to get the numbers, if they can really. What can be expected tomorrow in either case, if the BJP gets the number or it doesn't get the number?
When I expect that we will succeed. I mean, I have not, the Congress party has not even seen me. And I went on my own because I said, let me find out who is appearing for the Congress party first of all. I mean, they have got a large number of good lawyers. I mean, if there is any good lawyer appearing, I may not have to say anything. But this is a matter in which I believe that I will have some contribution to make.
All right, just for the record, Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi is representing the Congress in this matter, and there was, of course, the entire late-night court drama that we all saw, and a few of us really reported, the lucky ones. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Ram Jethmalani, with your views on this. More breaking news on the other side. In fact, breaking news coming in just now. India's top jurist, Ram Jethmalani, we are officially breaking what he's told. Times Now. He has questioned the Karnataka governor's decision, and he says this is a betment to corruption, really. He's also used some other colorful terms and names, which I won't repeat right now. The gist of what he said is that whatever is happening in Karnataka is not exactly constitutional. In fact, he went on to the length of suggesting that this is a betment to corruption and open season for horse trading and encouraging poaching there. He also has, in fact, charged the governor, Vajubhai Vala, of listening to a voice which is not really his own and obliging some friends in high places. That's the gist of what Mr. Ram Jethmalani has told Times Now.